In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a tutorial using Upshot.ai dashboard. So once you log into the Upshot dashboard, go to the onboarding section, and select tutorials. When you create, it gives you option to create a tutorial for your mobile apps or web portals. So once you select mobile, you have two options. You can create a tutorial that is image-based, or you can create a tutorial that is a video-based tutorial. So select video. We'll ask you to upload video files both for your iOS and Android application. And if you select an image, it'll ask you to upload the screens for different resolutions, so that it can support different types and mix of both iOS and Android. Now, it also allows you to add buttons to your tutorials, and gives you option to how the user can exit the tutorial. Can he skip or can the tab to close? To upload images, you can upload images on the media library and choose from them. Or you can upload files from your computer. Selecting one. And similarly, have to do the same thing for Android. And once they upload, I can make one of the resolution is default. So that any resolution that is missing in the sequence that you uploaded, the default one will be presented to the users. And now I choose the tag where I want to present these tutorials. And give a name. And now save this tutorial. Once it is saved, it's in draft mode, I can go and make it active. This is how users can experience on their app.